Come with me to make some basketless Easter baskets. I will be making some fun gift creations for your loved one during Easter. First up, we are going to grab a few supplies. You will need cellophane bags, of course, for our Easter baskets that are basketless. Keep that in mind. First up, we have this beautiful pink egg with a clear top. Now, what I like to do is leave the tags on items in case they have any restrictions and they want to know more details about the item. But I do take these little tiny gold stars and cover the price. Let's keep it classy. Here we have some yellow shredding that I'm going to fill this little Easter egg with. Let's start by adding a few of our treats. I will be keeping the shredding falling outside of the container once it's closed, just to give it that extra Easter look. Let's build our Jelly Belly tumbler, starting out with these beautiful little different colored candies that we're going to put inside. And then on the front of the cup, it does have the different flavors. So let's go ahead and stack this up. And this Easter, we have the boba milk tea flavors. How cool! Go ahead and grab you a piece of cardboard, 10 by 10, or you can cut a piece from those many Amazon boxes that are probably sitting in your garage. Here, I'm just putting it at the bottom because our Easter basket will be basketless. Now here is some shredding. I'm just going to put it in the corner where you see this gap of space. Alright, and then we're going to start putting in our items. Here we have this beautiful Easter throw. I love the colors. We are going to cover the cost, of course, with our beautiful gold stickers. Next up, we have this beautiful silicone pink oven mitt. It is very heavy duty and it is beautiful. Let's go ahead and fill in the rest of our items. Alright, now we're going to use our little bunny friend to tie off the basket. And here is our first quick and easy Easter gift option number 1. Now let's jump right in. This may be one of my favorite gifts I've made this Easter season. We're going to take two 10 by 10 cardboard pieces and glue them together, like so. And then instead of it just being plain white, we're going to go ahead and cover it with some tissue. Let's pick out some of the beautiful, vibrant colors. Really only need one layer for each color and it should work just fine. So technically this piece of cardboard is considered our actual Easter basket, but stay tuned to see what we create. Now these little beautiful Easter balls are for our garland, but we are not using it as a garland, so let's go ahead and snip these pieces off because we don't need them. This is going to be step 1 of assembling our Easter gift basket. Here are the beautiful items. Now what you can do is use these little sticky tabs. They are not going to ruin the gift at all. They easily come off, they easily go on. Now here I'm using hot glue for the bunny ball so that they stay in place. So let's go ahead and glue these and start sticking some of the fun items. A gaming control Easter egg. The kids are gonna go crazy over this. Look at the colors. Let's go ahead and fill it with a few cool treats. Okay, these are the best, guys. You must get some. I'll link them in the video. Okay, so we're gonna bring this one. So you can see our piece just a little bit. I like to match the candy that goes into the Easter egg sometimes. So let's see if we can match them up. Here's the purple egg. And then next up we have the pink. Let's see what else we got here. That's kind of match a little bit. Now we're gonna glue these, and again, this will stick nicely, but it will also come off so the kids can enjoy what's inside. Now, since this is a customized gift, I'm gonna add a little surprise. I have these beautiful books. They are so gorgeous that have the child and children's names in them. So I will link in the video, in the description, how you can get your hands on those beautiful books. And it is right here in the back of the Easter gift. Now let's go ahead and put on some final accessories to this beautiful basketless Easter basket. These accessories, these bunny accessories that you see, are actually to make an Easter wreath, but we are not making an Easter wreath. We are going to cut the strings off and put it on our basketless Easter basket. Here is the book. I do have the names covered, but that's how big the book is. Beautiful. If you want to see more info on this book, go ahead and check out my YouTube short, and you will see a lot more details.